Hey, did you ever wonder how you can change this to that? I'm not this abomination, but shout out to things I have drawn. Legendary stuff. Check it out. I'm Benjamin from ControlNet, and in this tutorial you'll learn how to turn any goofy sketch into a lifelike monstrosity. This process used to require hours in Photoshop, as things I have drawn said, but with AI, it's so easy that even your kid can do it. So the tool we're using is called ControlNet, an extension for generative models. I cover it in another video, link in the description, and it lets you guide AI drawings using reference drawings. You provide structure and the AI fills the rest with realistic textures. So think about Frankenstein, but with crayons. So the technique is perfect for making viral content, personalized gifts, or just impressing your weird art friends. It removes the need for complicated photo editing, and you can generate endless variations until you hit the gold. And yes, it works with any drawing, no matter how bizarre. So let me guide you through the process. First, you have to draw something. So you draw something weird. Let's say, the weirder, the better. Let's say something like this. I used to be an illustrator, can't do anything cheap. So let's give him a nice pen. Well, that will do it. And then just simply take a photo. So you simply open the image. I am using now Photoshop. This needs a little bit of pre-processing the image. So let's crop it a little bit. Let's say like this. And then I will just invert it. I will hit an adjustment layer where I put the threshold high, like this. Okay, and there we go. I save it. I head over to ControlNet, I sign in, and then I am going to the button Add More Control. I click on Soft Edge, I upload now my image directly into the pre-processed image. And then I am just coming up with a prompt. Let's say something like photo of a realistic deformed boy, approximately 8 years old, let's say, with oversized eyes. Well, and a very realistic skin texture. And the boy is wearing a gray t-shirt. Style is hyper realistic, detailed, soft studio lighting. I want to have more than one images, so I click here on 6 and then I hit generate, and let's see what we get from here. Okay, so we're getting somewhere here. If you don't like it, you can just iterate or tweak the control weights here. So I want to put it a little bit higher so that it more adheres to the image. Let's say to 1.5, maybe 1.56, so 1.57. And I want to give the model a little bit more freedom in the end. So let's say 8.3. And I hit generate again. Okay, now we getting somewhere. So we have here a slightly variation of really uncanny vibes over here. I really like this one, or this one really looks creepy, a little bit eerie. This one is not bad either. So let's do it one more time. Maybe put the control a little bit higher, so 1.78. And let's give it another try. Oh, and now we are really getting somewhere. So I really like this one. Actually, it really adheres to the prompt. It looks a little bit uncanny, also with this nice little hair over here. And well, now you can just iterate until you love it or it scares it. So I would like to download this masterpiece, and then you can share it and frame it or meme it. So there you have it. Your kid wears Scribble or your own wears Scribble just got an AI makeover, and try it out today on Cogniwerk and tag us with your creations. So like, subscribe, and check out also the ControlNet deep dive link in the description, and see you next time. Bye.